Okay, welcome back. Let's look at question number 28, part A. So Pip and Bud have 30 cards altogether. If Pip gives Bud 7 cards, Pip will have 4 more cards than Bud. How many cards does Pip have to start with? Okay, so we can write Pip here and Bud here, and we can represent Pip with a longer line and Bud with a shorter line. So if Pip gives Bud 7 cards, so this is 7, and then what we need to look at now is just the red line here and the red line here. Okay, so this is the amount of cards they have after the redistribution of cards. And we know that they have altogether 30 cards. And even after this, okay, it's not drawn to scale. So Pip still have 4 more cards than Bud. Okay, so that means if we take away 4 from 30, that will be 2 times this red line over here, right? And this red line over here is the original number of cards Bud has plus 7. So B plus 7 times 2. And with this equation, we can find out how many cards Bud have to start with. Okay, so it's 26 divided by 2 should be B plus 7. And B plus 7 is 13. Then B will be 6. So this is 6. And that means 6 plus 7. This line over here is 13. And then to find out the cards Pip has to start with, we simply use 13 plus 4 plus the 7. Remember, because Pip gave Bud 7 cards. So it's 13 plus 4 plus 7. It's 13 plus 11, which is 24. So 24 is the answer to part A. And now let's look at part B. So Tom says to Bob, if you give me £6, we will have the same amount. Okay, so this is very important, key information. So I'll write Bob on top and then Tom at the bottom. So Bob has more pounds than Tom. Okay, I'll draw a shorter line for Tom. And then if Bob gives Tom £6, then they will have the same amount. So why is this important? Because it gives us the relationship between the number of pounds between Bob and Tom. So the difference, yeah, if you look at it, because Bob has -6 and then Tom has +6. And after this, they are the same. So the difference between them, if you think about it, is actually 12. Okay, because originally Tom is here and Bob is here. The difference between them is 12. Okay, so we can write down, can represent Tom with Bob. So that will be Tom, the number of pounds Tom has will be Bob minus 12. Okay, and then we use the second condition. So Bob says to Tom, if you give me £6, I'll have triple as much as you. So if Tom gives Bob £6, so Bob has £6 now, and Bob will be triple as Tom. So what is Tom now? Tom can be represented with B minus 12. And remember, Tom gave Bob £6, so we have to take away a 6. And this is Tom right now. And Bob right now will be triple Tom right now, triple as much. Sorry, this times 3. And with this, solve the equation, and we will have the number of pounds Bob have. So it is, let me solve this. B plus 6 is B minus 18 times 3. So it's 3B minus 54. And then B moves to the right-hand side, and then minus 54 moves to the left-hand side. That will be 60 equals to 2B, and then B is 30. And remember, T is B minus 12. So Tom has 30 minus 12 pounds, which is 18 pounds. Okay, so that is part 2 of question number 28.